totally highlighting my pimple. And I want to do quite the opposite. I think I highlighted it. It's definitely a problem now. Like, leave me alone. Oh, she's so big. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, Nachi here and welcome back to my channel. So I have this cute little look that I prepared for you today. I'm super excited about it. It came out super cute. It was fun to make. And hopefully this video is short. I'm talking to my future self. We're making this video short, okay? This video is going to be short. That makes me super excited because I want to keep getting content out to you guys, and I noticed obviously that longer videos are harder to kind of keep up with. So we're gonna try to make them shorter and keep doing stuff like this. Let me know if you do like this kind of new format, this new length. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. That's my name right there. Make it super easy for you. The button's just down below. There's also a bell button right next to that you want to click so you get notifications for whenever I drop new videos. So comment down below. You know, let's get into it. Subscribe. Let's get all that out the way from now. Just like the video now because you already know you're gonna like it. If you're interested in seeing how I accomplish this look, just keep watching and let's get into it. Okay, let's just get into it. Get into it. Okay, so we're jumping into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. We are going to start with Rockstar. My nails are dirty. Okay, yeah. I lied. We're not starting with Rockstar. We're starting with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Yeah, then I'm just gonna take a blending brush and blend this out. You almost want to keep like a semicircle shape. And then as you get higher, you just want to blend it out a little bit. You don't want it to be a harsh line. Now we're going in with Rockstar. And I'm just going to use a flat eyeshadow brush. And we're going to pack it in the same semicircle along the lid. And then I'm going to take a blending brush and blend it out. We also want to make sure it's just above our crease. Then I'm going into my NYX Vivid Brights palette, and I just want this pink up here on a fluffy eyeshadow brush. And we're just gonna pack this on because these are bright, but they're not pigmented. So you need to really, really pack on the color and blend it out. And you definitely want it to blend in with your purple. All I can think about while doing this look is how much of a scam Valentine's Day is. Like, I hope you guys don't celebrate it. That sounds horrible, but let's be real. If you love someone and they love you, you guys are gonna celebrate each other all year round. You don't need a freaking day where you have to spend money to do so. But this is the color that we're really blending out. You really want it blend. And you can bring that right into the inner corner, like don't be shy with it. So now, I'm just gonna pack Rockstar back on top. We just want it to come through a little bit more. Then I'm gonna blend it out again. If you have some harsh lines, just take a clean blending brush. If you have harsh lines, please take, what? I'm being so polite. If you have harsh lines, just take a clean blending brush and just go over all the edges. And then we're going to go into Gem and the holograms. We're going to pack that on, still in this like semicircle like fashion. But we want a bit of our Rockstar that's underneath to poke out. And this we're just sweeping on our lid. Then I'm gonna take some of the MAC Mixing Medium on a flat eyeshadow brush and put that on the center of my lid and in the inner corner. This is just gonna make these colors pop a bit more and make sure they stay concentrated where I want them to be. Then I'm going into Pizzazz on another flat eyeliner brush. On another flat eyeshadow brush, and we're just gonna pack that into the center of the eye, but kind of stack it in like a little bit of a triangle shape. And as for the inner corner, I believe I took Glitz and Glam on another clean eyeshadow brush, and I just stack my inner corner just like so. Wow. Then we're just gonna repeat this process on our lower lash line. So I'm gonna go in with Rockstar. Drag it from here to here. We don't want Rockstar to go all the way to our inner corner, just from the outer corner to the middle of our eye about. Then I'm gonna go in with Gem. Gem's gonna go a little bit further than Rockstar. And then on a skinnier eyeshadow brush, I'm just gonna take that pink from NYX and go over the whole thing and bring it all the way in. And take a bit of Glitz and Glam and put it just under here. Eyeshadow basically done. Got your back. Easy eyeshadow looks, all 2019. For lashes, I'm just using some cheap lashes I got on AliExpress. Actually, I'm just gonna do lashes and mascara off camera just to make this short. Like, why are we even here? I'll be right back. So with lashes on, I'm gonna bronze my skin now. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Mahogany. Give myself some warmth on the winter day. Me and my pimple. My pimple and me. Like, this guy gotta go. Like, I need to evict them. Oh my, it just looks so thick, damn girl. And to highlight today, we're using an oldie but a goodie of mine, which is the Balm Cosmetics Betty Lumen. It literally just fell out. It didn't shatter! Thank God. Anyways, I'll just take the pan and do this, cause what the heck. So we're using the Balm Cosmetics Betty Luminizer, which looks like this. I used to kill this when I first started doing makeup, because it's just like the perfect little romantic glow. And that's what we want. We want like a nice romantic, healthy glow. See how romantic and beautiful that is? It's just so soft and like perfect. Totally highlighting my pimple. And I want to do quite the opposite. I think I highlighted it. It's definitely a problem now. Like, leave me alone. She's so big, oh my gosh. For blush, I'll be using MAC's Burnt Pepper. I kind of fell in love with this after my Bratz challenge. If you haven't watched it yet, I'll put a link right here for you to watch it. Super cute. And you know what, it's Valentine's Day. Let's look a little flush. A little bit more flush. Really want a poppin' ass glow. I'm a poppin' ass, let me remind ya. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of an Artist Couture highlighter. I'll tell you which one it is in a second. This was Illuminati. I'm just lining my lips with MAC Bittersweet lip pencil. And honey, since the Bratz challenge, we now overline our lips, don't we? Ha! Yes, we do. My lip color today is gonna be from the Kylie Loves Jordan collection, and it is the lip color called Wits. We're gonna set our face with the Morphe setting spray. Thanks so much for watching that video, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you are celebrating Valentine's Day. If you're not, I really want to know why not. Are you on the same team as me? Is some scammery? I know it is. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. As always, subscribe to me. I'll leave a button right here next to my name so you can subscribe to me. And as always, thanks so much for watching that video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.